Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a look at Drift protocol. I did cover it when it came out, but it's been 1 year, so I thought I should cover it again. So if you're not aware about the Drift protocol itself, it is one of the biggest platform in the Solana ecosystem. As you can see here, as of now, it has the 8th most biggest TVL of 856 million, and it is, I believe, the biggest DEX, or sorry, the biggest derivative trading platform on the Solana as well. So now this is how it looks like. So if you look here, this is their platform, this is their exchange, you can say, where you can actually trade perpetuals, which are the futures contract. They have spot, they have swap as well. After that, if we look at the volume and look at this insane volume, so in last 30 days the Solana perpetual has had a volume of over 1.8 billion, which is a lot. If we look at the BTC, if we look at the Ethereum, the volume is just so high. So after that, if we go to the other products, they have spot as well as direct swap on the exchange as well. And if you go here, you can also earn, you can borrow / lend, and they also have liquid staking as well. So if we just go to the TVL of the Drift itself, the Drift trade has a TVL of 643 million. After that, if you look at the Drift staked Sol, it has a TVL of 200 million. I think it's not that much, but still it's pretty good, I would say. After that, their Drift AAM doesn't only shows volume, but still, if you look at the demand for the Drift staked Sol, it has gone down. But if we look at the Drift stake Drift trade, if we look at the Drift trade, the demand for it has also gone down, so that's not good. I think the reason is most likely because of this. So they had this new campaign going on for the next airdrop, where they were planning to give around 28.2 million Drift tokens, and whoever actually participated here will get the tokens. So it was supposed to end in June 2025. Now looking at the other products, they have vaults where they have strategy vaults, and they have really interesting product called insurance fund vault. Basically, you stake your assets into a vault and earn yield from exchange fee, and this is also called insurance fund as well. So if we look here, around 21.2 million Drift tokens are staked. APY is just so low, as you can see here, but whereas for the USTC as well as Solana, APY seems to be pretty high. Now coming to the token itself, it is, as you can see here, it is a governance token, and they say that and more. So I think the recovery of this token will happen whenever they announce a new utility for the token. As of now, it only has utility of staking, where users can actually participate in the governance, nothing more than that. So I think if it has more utility, it can do a lot, but as of now it doesn't have that. And if we look at its staked amount, it's only around 21.2 million. And if you look here, it has a circulating supply of over 300 million, so it's not even close to, I think, 1%. So this is not good. It is a bit higher than, I think it's 2 or 3%, so it's not that much, I think. Now coming to the token itself, if we look here, it has a max supply of 1 billion. I think you already know that, and you saw it from here, out of which the allocations were as follows. 53 million went to the ecosystem and community. After that, 22% going to the investors and 25% to the protocol development. So if we look at the token emission schedule, this is how it looks like. So the investors as well as the protocol development fund were locked for 12 months, as you can see here, and right after 12 months the supply has started to increase, and it is actually projected to hit over 5 million in just 3 more months. So that is going to be the massive supply increase, and that will probably increase the sell pressure on the token itself. And if we look here, this started to happen on the first this started to actually happen on, I believe, somewhere around here, somewhere on 20th or 21st May. The investors as well as protocol development start to receive their tokens, and that is when the Drift token itself went down and it crashed from 70 cent to as low as 35 cents. So that was a massive crash. Of course, the market was doing pretty good, but the drift continued to go down. So I think it was due to most likely because of this supply increase pressure, and I think it will continue to happen. And I think there's a very less chance that it will stop around 21 cent, but again I'm not sure. But still it actually lost this support, which was a pretty massive support if you look here. So this was supposed to be the bounce point for the token, but it did not happen. As you can see here, it did happen first, but now it did not happen. So I think the token itself is most likely heading towards below 30 cent level, and it is unclear where it will stop, but it has a support of around 21 cent. Let's see what happens, but it is very unlikely that it will make a big run like this unless they announce some kind of news or anything else like that. But again, if you look at the overall demand for the derivatives, the demand is pretty high, especially if we look at the hyper liquid, which is also an exchange as well as layer 1. But again, if we look at other derivatives, we have GMX from the Arbitrum. The token has also gone down, as you can see. If we look at Pendle as well as ARKM, again most of it is going down, but I think the demand for the perpetuals will increase as soon as there's a meme season. So I think the drift should actually thrive whenever there's a meme season, and whenever there's a meme season, I think now you know the trend that most of the volume for the meme coins happens on Solana. So if there is a meme season, I think there's a high chance that the token will do pretty good. Again, it is unclear, but I think if there is another meme coins hype, there's a high chance that the drift will most likely end up benefiting from it as well, because there are a lot of users who like to trade, and they will most likely be using the drift platform for the trading, and I think it should benefit drift token itself. Now looking at the other products, they also have trade prediction markets as well, and they also have drift institutional. They have provide backstop AM liquidity as well. So overall, I think the token itself is not that bad, but I think this supply increase and limited utility for the token itself has had impacted this token a lot. So if they announce some kind of new utility for the token, and if once we see this sell pressure, once this sell pressure shakes off, I think the token should recover. But again, it is unclear when will that happen. But as of now, everything is going down, so I think I don't think that there is a chance that the token will pump. But unless if there is any news, the token can pump. But as of now, Bitcoin is going down, everything is going down, so I think we are most likely heading towards 21 cent. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back tomorrow. Thanks for watching.